Hey, how's it going? So, oftentimes you want to share your diagnostic results with parents or students, and you want to show just where they're at. You don't want to get too into detail, just scratch the surface. And sometimes you don't know how to get there. So, let me give you a little reminder. You're going to go ahead and go to reports, hit that drop down arrow, and it automatically populates to diagnostics and school. Since you want your class, you're going to go to batch, and from that batch print, you're going to go to either reading or math. And this is what you want, your diagnostic results. So let's say I want reading. I'm going to go ahead and go to reading. Then I'm going to select whatever class I'm looking for, right? Or if you have two classes, so let's say like you're in sixth grade and you're teaching multiple classes, you can go ahead and put grade. That way you just select the grade. If you're the only teacher in that grade, like second grade, we have only one teacher here. So we're going to go ahead and select second grade. Once we select second grade, we scroll back up, go to print. It's going to check off all of these blue check marks. All you really want is the norm, the national norm. So let's go ahead and uncheck these. If we do these, it's going to give you all the information by domain. It's going to give you different next steps that you can work with the kids. I mean, that's very helpful. But if you wanted just to show your student his diagnostic or the parents the diagnostic, just go ahead and click the national norm, and then go ahead and click print. This is going to take you to this notification here. It goes to batch print, and you want to go to the batch print. And as you can see right here, it is still in progress. Give it a second. It takes like about a minute or two. Go ahead and refresh your page. And after refreshing your page, you're going to notice that you have a PDF or a zip form. You can go ahead and download the PDF. It's going to pop up. Once it's downloaded, you're going to be able to see that you can see all your students. Their name will be at the top, and their grade diagnostic will be right here to show them, to show the parents, so you guys can go over their diagnostic results. It also tells you their overall rating and where they are at grade level, above grade level, or below grade level. I hope this was helpful, and you can use it in the future.